Going everybody, random here. So today we have this U.S. military Ilco padlock. So I'm guessing it's probably around the 1960s or so. I've had it for a bit, and I'm considering trading it off and kind of clear up some of the older stuff. But I thought before I decide to do something like that, I'll at least pick it open for you guys. So it is a Yale keyway. Now I found that the 15 thousandths hook, which is almost one of my new second favorites, works pretty good. And to tension this thing, I'm using the thinnest tension wrench I have, and you just stick it in the hook and go sideways, and it works pretty good. Because on this lock you want the most depth that you want. So we'll start at the back. Let's see what we got. Pin 5, good click out of that. Pin 4. Pin 3, tiny click. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 1. Pin 2 is good now. There we go. Yeah, so pretty simple pick. A 5-pinner, no security pins. As you can see, it is key retaining. It will not lock back up until you pop the key back. Oh, there you go. Either way, cool little lock. I'll prove it works with a key. Do the key, which is an impression key. It's not an original one. But there you go. Take care and support your local locksmith.